Hey friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope you're doing well. The day starts and a cup of tea is such a refreshing thing to have. It just opens up the brain to conquer the day in hand. Today I need to prepare a script for my YouTube video. So let's open the app to get started. All my scripting and brainstorming ideas are done in Notion. This is just an amazing app. If you are a student, then this is a must-have app to organize and plan out things. As I was writing my script, something terrible happened. A story starts only when there is a problem, and the problem of this story is that my keyboard here is not acting well. It's frustrating when things doesn't work the way you like. Every time I click S, U or F, something else comes up on the screen. Even the number pad is not working as well. I tried looking for some solution on Google and YouTube as everyone does. But nothing worked. So at last, I made my mind to buy a new keyboard. I did a bit of research and settled for Logitech K380 wireless keyboard. I'm just a fan of wireless keyboard. I've used it earlier. It keeps your desk clean and wire-free. So today I have nothing to do and I called it a rest day for me. I do not watch movies nowadays, but in order to give myself a recreation, I said, okay, let's break the pattern and watch some movie. So after thinking for a little bit, I settled to watch Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. The movie is amazing as I happily wasted my time being unproductive. It took me back to my childhood days. The movie was so good that I fell into the trap of watching the next part, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And as time went by and it was night time, I again fall into the same trap and watched the next part, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. After that, since it was night, I called it a day off, excited for the next day because of the arrival of the new product. The next day starts with a cup of tea again. Life is mostly monotonous unless and until you spice up a little bit. And the spice of the day is that my new keyboard is arriving. Ta-da! The keyboard has arrived and it's time to unbox this. Okay, I've got the package now. Let's unbox this and see how this material actually looks. Because I have ordered a pink color, which is always a tricky color to choose. Let's see how this color actually looks in real life. Let's unbox this. It's always fun to open packaging because of the excitement that it holds. Doesn't matter what the object is. And capturing the moment so that you can relive it is just amazing. If you have come this far, then I hope that you are enjoying this video and a sub to the channel will be a great support.